Hello and welcome back. My name is Alicia, this is Project Vegan. Today we're making truffles two different ways, both super duper simple. So let's get baking. We're going to be making these Oreo and cream cheese truffles, originally by Broma Bakery. They're super duper simple, two ingredients to start with, and then we coat them in chocolate and a little bit of oil. Yeah, let's make these truffles. 15 Oreo cookies.
Crush and roll the Oreo cookies until fine.
$85 grams of softened vegan cream cheese. And then we mix. Once your cream cheese is all mixed through, place it in the refrigerator until hard, about half an hour. 1 cup of chocolate chips, melted. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil.
Mix until completely melted and combined. Take tablespoons of dough and roll them in your hands into even-sized balls. Coat in chocolate and set aside to harden. Additionally, you can decorate using a fork, spinning the extra chocolate over top, and I am here sprinkling a little bit of salt as well. And there we have the cream cheese truffles.
Next up, we've got the second type of truffle. These are super duper easy. 2 ingredients, vegan condensed milk and chocolate. That's all you're gonna need. 1 cup of dark chocolate. Those Kiwis out there will know I'm using Whittaker's dark chocolate. I'm using almond, so we'll see how this turns out. We're gonna melt this. Now, to this, I'm going to add my condensed milk. Then we mix. Okay, now we refrigerate and wait.
Take a tablespoon or so of mixture and roll into balls. This part's completely optional. You can leave them as is, or you can coat them in a thin layer of chocolate. This is just 1 cup of chocolate chips melted with a tablespoon of coconut oil. And here we have the second type of truffle, condensed milk truffles.
I have got 2 types of truffles. These are the condensed milk ones. I ended up coating them in chocolate because underneath they're just too sticky. But I feel like when you bite into it, it could be like one of those vegan, like a vegan Lindor kind of chocolate. Maybe. And over here, these ones actually look more like truffles. These are the Oreo truffles. We're gonna give them both a try, see which one's best. Ooh, which one do I want? We will go with the Oreo first. It's salty and sweet at the same time, and hold up, it's got like different textures. The hard part, the soft part, and I put a little bit of salt on top of mine. Make those. They're so easy and they taste amazing. I will be making these again, and just look at the inside. The second ones, these are the condensed milk ones. I got an almond. They're good, but they're really, really sweet. Like, crazy sweet. But I love the texture. It's almost like a toffee, a chocolate toffee, or a... It's not quite like a ganache, it's too firm, but it's good. 2 really simple ways to make truffles. Chocolate truffles, Oreo truffles. What is any better than this? I will link both of the recipes and how to make them in the description below, and credit to Broma Bakery for the Oreo and cream cheese ones. Although I made them vegan, it's completely her original idea. Those ones are so easy, you don't even need equipment to make them. Neither of them you really need equipment, you just need a microwave. Brilliant. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. That means you get notified every time I upload a video. Hit the like button as well, especially if you think these recipes are super simple and taste amazing. But I guess to taste it, you'll have to give it a go. In the information card at the top, I will link a video. I'll link the shorts videos of these two that I have made. And I will also, I will also link the sweet treats baking playlist that I created, a compilation of all my baking sweet treats. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Please, please, please subscribe. Comment down below which one of the two you think will be your favorite, whether you prefer the sweet salty combination or the completely sweet condensed milk ones. And I'll see you in the next video. I hope you have a good one. Peace.